Okay, we're back. So here is the pennies. Let me get that silver, that dime. Put it up in here. It's kind of like one of those games where the quarters, they come at you. There's some screws up in there for some reason. I don't know why there's screws there, but a bunch of change and then maybe some fingernail clippers right here. But so up there is the silver, and then down here is the copper. So you have the copper, and it gets all nasty at the bottom because the cups that you get from fast food places, they some what's that called, where the water goes through the material, not meiosis, it's osmosis. So you get some osmosis with I like big words, osmosis through your drinks, and it kind of gets all nasty down here, and you get syrup and pops and stuff like that. But here's the some screws. You want a screw right here. So we have some some silver. So that's a good place to store your pennies. And some garbage over there. So there you go. Have a wonderful day. I hope you enjoyed this video because it was very fun to make, and hopefully it'll make your life a whole lot better, and you'll have a great time. Enjoy my other Matthumanpizza videos that I have on this channel. I have lots of videos. My older videos are actually car work, where I'm working on cars and doing all kind of removing, installing, removing and installing only, removing. What car am I working on? I don't know. Just look at my videos and you see a blue car. It says Ford Contour on it, or Mercury Mystique, or Dodge Neon, or Toyota RAV4, or Chevy Equinox, or Mazda 626, or BMW. I mean, a lawnmower. It could be a John Deere lawnmower. It could be a Snapper lawnmower. It could be a weed eater. The good weed eater. So that's all I got. So have a great day, and I don't know what to say. Listen to music, watch videos, watch TV, Netflix. I don't know, have conversations with people. Just go out there and make kids and take care of them and send them through school and send yourself through school and get good jobs and just have an all around good time. You know, drink some beer and just have a good time. Drink and be merry. You know what I'm saying? Drink and be merry and do all the other stuff too if you want. If you don't get tested for anything, go ahead and do that stuff. But, just be, in moderation. So have a great day. Pennies. If you want to know where to put your pennies in your vehicle, I showed you in your cup holders. Have a great day. Okay, welcome to another driving video, and we're just cruising around here. You just you drive and you have a good time. There's not much really to say about that, other than the fact that my knee is probably showing up in the video. So the thing about pennies is they're kind of hard to spin, and you end up just collecting them, and then you take them to the bank, or you put them in little wrappers, and you collect 100 of them for $1, and it's good math. It's a good way to count. It's a good waste of time. It's a good way to waste of time to count pennies up and then take them to the bank and get your a couple $100 if you have that many pennies, that's a lot of pennies. I mean, hopefully you have silver. You have some nickels, dimes, and quarters, and dollars, half dollars, $2 coins, or whatever, $2 bills. I don't know, whatever. But if you change out your change, change out your change. If you change out your change, you can get some cash, and you can use that cash to buy stuff. So what I'm getting at is pretty much nothing. Talking about a whole lot of nothing here. And so you have your pennies, and you can store them in your cup holders, and then your drinks, they leak through the paper cups, fluid, Coca-Cola, like just drinks or whatever, sweet tea, sugary drinks, or water, and then they get all nasty, like your pennies. And so you have a cup holder full of dirty pennies. But who's the judge? I mean, a dirty penny spins the same as a clean penny. And if you want, you can shine the pennies up, but that's up to you. I mean, if you want to waste time, by all means, you can be a time traveler, and or not time traveler, but you can be like immortal or some type of. You can live like thousands and thousands of years, and you can spend a good time cleaning pennies if you want. Just clean some pennies, and you can have the shiniest pennies in the world. You can collect all the years. That's one good thing about pennies. You can collect all the years and pretty much be set. When you can, and some of the older pennies that they're worth more than a penny. They're worth probably $100, which is a lot of pennies. 100 pennies make $1, so 100 times 100, that's 2 zeros, 2 zeros, that's 4 zeros. It's like 10,000 $10,000.